like I always want to put my best face forward. I mean, I really do believe in that to try and be appropriately groomed for every situation. That's something that is important to me. I think people treat you better and you have a more professional aura no matter what you're doing. But the reality is, you know, we're busy, and some days you're just so busy that to go and do your face and do your hair, and you got a ton of errands to run, and who has the time? For me, the cheat is bright lipstick and sunglasses.
Red.
Because it almost doesn't matter what you're wearing. If you have your lips dressed and the sunglasses on hiding most of your face, nobody can tell.
An easy solution at the moment when you don't have any fashion thoughts in your head, like in the morning when I'm taking my child to school, even before I had my coffee. I don't like oversized sunglasses. For me, the bone structure of the face and the architecture of the hairstyle and whatever you wear is very important. So I like shapes that work with the shape of my face and with the bone structure of my face. The most flattering shape on me is cat eye, like this.
It doesn't have to be red, because I'm actually a little bit afraid of red lipstick. I find it very, very challenging to put red lipstick on and not make a big mess out of it. But a bright color and really taking the time to do the lips, which still only takes a few minutes.
I'm going to take another pencil and just tone down the red. I need something to support it. Earrings. I will wear earrings that support the red on me. My pretty Kate Spade earrings and matching necklace, which has a lot of colors. Whip out my Hermes scarf here and enhance my look with this amazing animal prints, and use maybe this narrow rectangular sunglasses to give it a bit of an edge and get away with it nicely.
It's a way of channeling your inner Audrey Hepburn. And we're ready to go.